In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove TikTok Shop address. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to manage your store's address and what's allowed when it comes to changes. First, open your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're in the shop area of your profile, not just the regular TikTok feed. Once you're in, tap the shop icon. This takes you to the place where all your store tools live, including your account and fulfillment details. Next, go to My Account. This is your hub for settings that affect your store and how it operates. From there, choose Account Settings. These settings control important information tied to your shop, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time here. Within Account Settings, select Warehouse Settings. This is where your store's address is stored. It's considered your warehouse or fulfillment address, which is used for shipping, pickup, and returns. Think of it as the backbone of how orders reach your customers, so accuracy here really matters. Now, tap the edit icon. It often looks like a small pencil. From here, you can modify your address details. You can update the street name, the building or unit number, city, postal code, and any other required fields. Be as precise as possible to avoid delivery delays or failed pickups. If you've recently moved or changed your dispatch point, this is exactly where you make that change. After editing, make sure to save your changes and confirm that the updated address appears correctly. A quick but important note: if you're trying to delete or remove your address entirely, that isn't allowed. TikTok Shop requires a valid warehouse address for your store to function. This is necessary for logistics, shipping labels, courier coordination, and compliance with marketplace policies. Without a warehouse address on file, orders can't be processed correctly and your shop's operations can be interrupted. If you only need to correct a typo or add more detail like a floor or suite number, editing is the right approach. If you're relocating your business, update the address here before you accept new orders to keep fulfillment smooth. Always double-check the address format used in your region and ensure that contact and location details match what carriers expect. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, tap the shop icon, head to My Account, go to Account Settings, enter Warehouse Settings, and use the edit icon to modify your address. You can update it, but you can't remove it completely because it's required for your store.